Every culture on earth tells the same few stories. Nobody planned that. I'm going to show you how one tale, told around a fire, survived 6,000 years without a book, and by the final act, you'll realize you are not just watching stories, you are carrying them. The story you were told as a child may be older than the pyramids. That sounds impossible, but a Harvard scholar proved the Odyssey was never written. It was sung for generations before anyone wrote it down. And the final act explains why Hollywood keeps rebuilding them. Picture a fire and a circle of people. This is 50,000 years ago. No writing, no books, nothing to store a thought in, except a voice. Someone begins to speak. And the same thing happens everywhere on earth. In every culture we have ever found, humans tell stories. That part is not strange. This part is, they tell the same stories. A great flood drowns the world. One family survives in a boat. You know this story. It is in the Bible. It is also in Mesopotamia 1,000 years earlier. It is in Greece, in India, in the Americas, cultures that never met, separated by oceans, separated by thousands of years, telling the same story. And it is not just the flood. A young hero leaves home. He is tested. He returns changed. That skeleton appears everywhere. The trickster who steals from the gods. The dying god who returns. The forbidden door. Nobody coordinated this. There was no committee. No original manuscript. In 1872, a man named George Smith was reading a broken clay tablet in London. It was from Mesopotamia, 4,000 years old, and it described a flood, an ark, and a bird sent to find land. It was written centuries before Genesis. So who told it first, and why does everyone remember it? Start with a simple question. Why do humans remember stories at all? You forget a phone number in seconds. You forget names, dates, facts. But you can still recall a film you saw once, years ago. The plot, the ending, the feeling. That is not a coincidence. The human brain stores narrative far better than data. A list of facts has no hooks. A story has cause, effect, and consequence. Each part pulls the next out of memory. Before writing existed, this was not a quirk. It was the only hard drive humans had. What this means for you is simple. The story was the technology. Now it gets stranger. Ask what those stories were actually for. They were not entertainment. A story is a warning you can survive. Think of the tale of the girl and the wolf. A child leaves the path. A stranger is not what he seems. The child is eaten. That is not a bedtime story. That is a survival lesson wearing a costume. Do not trust the friendly stranger. Do not leave the path. A child who hears this lives. A child who does not, might not. The story is doing a job. It is teaching you what killed the last person. Now something ancient and specific. In 1928, a Russian scholar named Vladimir Propp did something nobody had tried. He took 100 Russian fairy tales, and he ignored the characters entirely. He looked only at the actions. What he found was a skeleton. 31 recurring functions. A hero leaves. A rule is broken. A villain causes harm. A test is set. A helper appears. The hero returns. And they appear in the same order. The names change. The skeleton does not. It was as if the stories shared a spine. The strangeness of that, if you let it land, is remarkable. And Propp was only looking at Russia. Later, folklorists built a catalogue of the whole world. It is called the Arne Thompson Uther Index. Thousands of tale types, numbered like species. The same tale appears in Ireland and India, in Nigeria and Japan. Not similar. The same structure. Cinderella has hundreds of versions. One was recorded in China in the 9th century. Centuries before the European version you know. The tale did not spread from one place. It behaves like something inherited. What kind of thing gets inherited across oceans? In 1949, an American named Joseph Campbell gave the skeleton a name. He called it the hero's journey. One story, he argued, wearing 1,000 faces. A call to adventure. A crossing. An ordeal. A return with something gained. Scholars still argue about how far this goes. Campbell smoothed over real differences between cultures. But the pattern he pointed at was real enough that a filmmaker named George Lucas read him and built Star Wars on the bones. You have watched that skeleton your entire life. So here is where it turns. We do not repeat these stories because we lack imagination. Humans invent constantly. We repeat them because they work. A story that keeps a child alive gets told again. A story that does not, dies with the child. What survives is not the prettiest story. It is the most useful one. which means the stories you know are the ones that kept people alive. Every other story was forgotten. But if stories are inherited, can we trace them? Remember the flood story we started with? Here is what actually explains it. Stories are not written, they are inherited. They are passed down, mutated, and selected. Like a living thing. And we can now prove it twice. First, the Odyssey. You were taught that Homer wrote it. In the 1930s, a Harvard scholar named Milman Parry decided to test that. He did not go to a library. He went to Yugoslavia, into villages in the mountains. Because there, illiterate singers still performed epics. They were called guslars. They could not read a word, and they could sing for hours. Parry brought recording equipment. He and his student Albert Lord recorded them. One singer was named Avdo Mejedovic. He was a butcher. He could not read. And he performed an epic of over 12,000 lines, roughly the length of the Odyssey itself. From memory? No, that is the discovery. He was not reciting, he was composing live as he sang. He used ready-made phrases as building blocks: rosy-fingered dawn, the wine-dark sea, swift-footed Achilles. These are not poetry, they are tools. Each fits the rhythm perfectly. They let a singer build a line while thinking of the next. Homer's epics are full of them. Which means Homer was not a writer, Homer was a tradition. The Odyssey was sung for generations before it was ever written down. Lord published the finding in 1960. He called the book The Singer of Tales. Now the second proof. In 2016, two researchers did something stranger. Sara Graca da Silva and Jamshid Tehrani took folktales and treated them like organisms. They used the same statistical tools biologists use to build family trees from DNA. They fed in hundreds of Indo-European tales. And they built a family tree of stories. One tale kept sinking further back. It is called The Smith and the Devil. A blacksmith sells his soul for supernatural skill, then tricks the devil out of the bargain. Their analysis dated it to roughly 6,000 years ago, to the Bronze Age, to Proto-Indo-European. That story is older than the Bible, older than Homer, older than writing itself. So what happens when a 6,000-year-old story reaches your century? You do this too, you just call it something else. This year, Christopher Nolan released his Odyssey, a version of a poem sung before Rome existed. Look at what is actually in your cinema: sequels, remakes, reboots, adaptations. People complain that Hollywood has run out of ideas. That is the wrong complaint. Hollywood is doing what the Guslar did, taking an old skeleton and dressing it for a new audience. The bard changed the details for the village. The studio changes them for the box office. Same instinct, bigger budget. And the tale mutates, exactly as Tehrani predicted. Every remake is a mutation. The ones people love get retold. The ones they do not, disappear. That is selection. Now look at your own week. You retold a story to someone, something that happened at work. You made it a little funnier. You cut the boring parts. You built to the ending. You edited it, without noticing. You were doing oral tradition. The same family story gets told each holiday. It changes a little every year. The details drift. The shape survives. And here is the part you would not predict. A meme is a folktale, a format copied, mutated, and selected. The ones that spread, live. Arne and Thompson catalog tale types. Your feed is doing it in real time. You are not consuming culture. You are a link in a chain 6,000 years long. I've saved this one for last because it belongs last. Strip away the scholarship. Strip away the tale types and the family trees. And here is what is really happening. Every story you know was handed to you by someone who is dead, who got it from someone who is dead, back and back for 6,000 years. They had no way to reach you, no writing, no stone, no name that survived. So they used the only thing that could outlive them. They told it to a child. Tell me, what story did someone tell you as a child that you still repeat? A story was never entertainment. It was the first thing humans ever built that could outlive them.